Today, we're going to walk you through deleting the previous owner's name from a Garmin Marine chart plotter. Garmin recommends using a blank or new micro SD card for this process. First, eject any ActiveCaptain micro SD cards from your chart plotter. If you choose to reuse the existing micro SD card, the ActiveCaptain DAT file will need to be removed by using a Windows or Mac computer. This step is not necessary if you are using a new micro SD card. First, we will use a Windows computer. Insert the ActiveCaptain card in the Windows computer. Then select the Start menu. Search for and open File Explorer on Windows 10. Search for and open Windows Explorer on Windows 7. Left-click on the drive letter associated with the micro SD card. Double-click the Garmin folder. Right-click the ActiveCaptain card.dat file. Then select Delete. Select Yes to confirm you want to permanently delete the DAT file. Now we will show you how to delete the DAT file using a Mac computer. Insert the micro SD card into the computer's card reader or card adapter. Double-click the desktop icon for the micro SD card. Then left-click the Garmin folder. Right-click the DAT file and select Move to Trash. Once the micro SD card is ready, we can reset the Garmin chart plotter. For this process, we will need to make sure the Marine Network devices and SD cards have been removed. Ensure that your chart plotter remains connected to power. Now select the Home icon. Then select Settings, System, System Information, and Reset. It is advised before resetting to save all wanted user data on the device with an SD card. User data can be lost during resets. Select Reset Default Settings. Then select Yes. The device reset may take an extended period of time. Select I agree. Now run through the quick setup steps of the chart plotter. Make sure to perform these steps on all Garmin Marine fish finders and chart plotters on the boat. Then connect all devices back together on the Marine Network if needed after devices have been reset and set up. Now insert the blank SD card into the device. Select Set ActiveCaptain card. You will now be asked to format the card. This is recommended but will completely erase everything on the card. It is not recommended to use a pre-programmed chart card or SD card loaded with user data for this process. Select Yes to confirm. After creating the ActiveCaptain card in the device, we will need to create the Wi-Fi network on the chart plotter. Select the Home icon. Select Settings, Communications, and Wi-Fi network. Toggle Wi-Fi to on. Select OK to configure the Wi-Fi connection. Create a name for the Wi-Fi network. Make a unique name to not be confused with other Wi-Fi networks. Create a unique password for the Wi-Fi network. The password must contain at least 8 characters. It is recommended to use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then select Done. Now connect to the chart plotter's Wi-Fi on your compatible mobile device or tablet. Go back into the ActiveCaptain app after connecting to the chart plotter's Wi-Fi. A prompt will appear on the chart plotter asking if you are the owner of the vessel. Select Yes when your associated email address appears. Finally, select Done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.